The ST Blade common source fuse blocks from Blue Sea Systems make it easy to consolidate branch circuits and inline fuses all in one compact solution. Features include common source bus bar, simplifying wiring and reducing clutter. Tin-plated copper buses with number 8 screw terminals ensure maximum conductivity and corrosion resistance. Clear insulating cover meets ABYC, USCG, and CE standards. Includes tether and spare fuse storage. Accepts ATO, ATC, and EasyID fuses. Right-on label recesses for quick circuit identification. Ignition protection design for safe use in gasoline engine spaces. And space for spare fuses keeps replacements on hand for fast service. Available in multiple configurations, ST Blade fuse blocks support up to 30 amps per circuit and 100 amps total, ideal for lights, electronics, and pumps. Their low-profile design saves space in tight compartments while delivering dependable circuit protection. Installation is simple. Mount the block, insert fuses, and connect cables. ST Blade common source fuse blocks. Streamlined power distribution. Blue Sea Systems, relentlessly reliable.